It's fun, it's piecey, it's wavy and flippy. Today we're going to take a look at a new style by Tress called Williamsburg in the color Caramel Blonde Rooted. Find all of the colors, the pricing, and more options at Wig Studio One. I'll attach the direct product link in the description. If you expand the description box and click on that link, it'll take you right directly to this wig style. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. So this is right up my alley. I am super excited that Tress is coming out with some shorter styles. They all have a little bit of different something to offer. This one reminds me of some other ones that are coming out in that City collection. And this one is made from that same heat-friendly fiber by Tress that we know and love. So this choppy little wavy pixie is about 3 to 4 inches right there at the front. And this is literally right out of the box with just a couple of shakes, applying it, kind of waking up that fiber to bring out the movement. And this is what you see. So in addition to that 3 to 4 inch bang piece, it does have a little bit of stacking in the back. So overall, it's about 6 inches. There is a lot to work with around the face, and that boils down into a 1.5 inch nape. I always find the napes on the Tress to be completely ample to cover up my own hairline. It only weighs 2.8 ounces, and I am not sensing any permatease at all on this. And it's a really nice, light, natural density. That's one other thing that I love about Tress. They can achieve these beautiful, sustained styles without a lot of permatease, which I love. It just moves more naturally, and it gives you the ability to use the heat from your hand or a styling tool to make it just perfect for you. Now let's take a look at the inside of this cap. So this one is done, again, to perfection. It's a creative lace front. So you're going to see that lace front that extends all the way back into the ear tab. And there's no visible seam where the monofilament lace meets that cap. A left monofilament side part, open wefts on the sides and back, Velcro adjusters, and you notice I did have to cinch those in just a tad to accommodate my petite average circumference. This one actually fits me very well. I'm not getting in a sense of any baggy cap or anything. It just feels like a cloud on my head, and I can't wait to get my fingers in it and just do my magic. First, let's just briefly describe this color, Caramel Blonde R. So this color starts out to my eye as a light, warm honey brown. And then in there, you're going to see a lot of medium to light gold blonde highlighting on a medium root. This is a very warm color, although I wouldn't call it quite red. It doesn't have any auburn per se, but definitely a warm honey. Look at these flips, guys. So you're talking about a 6 inches here off of the top. And it just wants to flip however you want to put it. So it's very, very receptive to just the maneuvers from my hands. I like to sweep mine back, and look how I can get this lovely plated look in all those layers. It's flirty and fun, but it could also be very sophisticated, I think, as well. So if I want to do an up and over, doesn't really have any natural contour to it, but I can certainly create some contour, and it could turn into something really chic for evening or holidays. So we're going to do some styling for this, but first I want to give you a look at this color in Outdoor Light. Move that fiber around, so delicate, so natural looking. It works really well with my reader glasses, perfectly comfortable and secure. So let's just go ahead and shift around these fibers a little bit. It'll give you a sense of this beautiful light natural density, inspire you to style your wigs, and work with that fringe a little. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWIG Closet.